3 days ago, I think it was on Wednesday or Thursday, I posted this. I posted Ether and I actually drew out the entire pattern. As I said, we look for a pattern on a daily time frame. And when they come to the extremes, we want to see what they do. If they give us a trend day into the opposite direction, that's when we want to take it down. Why? Because prices spend most of their time ranging, and once they start trending on a daily time frame, mostly they are gonna keep on trending. So we find that people are always taking the opposite direction, but these are things that everybody sees around the world. For example, look at this. This is Ethereum. It gave this form of a triangle, and I posted this Ether pattern daily trend day yesterday. Let's see what they do today. And on the same day that I posted, they gave an inside day, and we all know an inside day after a trend day at the extreme is mostly a sign of continuation. Why? Because there is big money pushing this move now. Remember, everybody sees this. People on a daily time frame sees this. Institutions see this. Bank sees this. So they are mostly gonna go in that direction. We are retail guys. We have to rely on their orders. You see, this was a giveaway. This was a giveaway. Let's go to the chart and see what really happened. All right. So if we look at this one, let's go to Ether. This is Ether. You see, the time I posted it, it was just here. It was on this day where we got this white candle. We all know that if they give a trend day at these extremes, mostly they are going down. Just look, guys, honestly speaking, this was roughly 670 points free giveaway, because once they give an inside day, we want them to hold a level, lock that level, and then we take it down. That's it. And I also analyzed with you in my recent video. Unfortunately, I was supposed to post it yesterday in the morning, but the person who is responsible for editing and posting was busy, so I only posted it today. But this is what I've been sharing in my recent videos. Once you get a pattern on a daily time frame, you are good to go. Yes, I know sometimes they can give this and go up, but remember, you're not gonna win all of your executions. You're not gonna win all of them. But if out of 10 you are winning 8 or 7, you are good to go, because the risk reward of this one is super huge. This gives you more than 1:20. You see, super easy. And let's go back again, because this was not the only post I posted. Well, I also posted Bitcoin. I said rectangle on a daily time frame, trend day yesterday. Let's see if they give the setup for a simple trade. You see, it was again on the extreme. I say this and I will say this repeatedly, because this is what will give you, actually this will change the way you execute. Because as I said, even if in a month you're gonna take maybe 4 or 8 executions, they are gonna be massive. The returns are going to be massive. Why? Because most of the time prices spend most of their time ranging, and it's not only ranging. You see, as it is, I posted it, it was here. Let's go to the charts right now and see. If we look at the charts and we go to BDC, well, this is BDC. All right, because I know people will say, but this is hindsight. That's not hindsight. I posted it before and I told you we use the very same setup that I've spent years explaining, like the trend continuation or the trend reversal. You see, they came here, they gave this. This is a trend day. This is pushed by big money. Maybe people don't understand. Let me explain to you what happens. You see, this is a daily time frame. This took 3 months to build this pattern, right? So institutions like hedge funds, banks, and other big institutions, they all see what's happening here. So what's going to happen is there are people who are going to put orders here. They're going to put sell orders here. Let me just put it. There are people or institutions that are going to put sell orders here, right? There's going to be a lot of pending sell orders here. The same applies to down here. There's going to be a lot of what? Buying orders here. You see, and most of them are going to be pending, because not everybody will be on the screen. That's why I said sometimes they will come and stop hunt here. Why? Because when they stop hunt, they're trying to close all these guys down here. You see, even when they came and stop hunted here, they are closing those with pending orders. This is just a stop hunt. They've wiped everybody up. Where are they gonna go? The opposite direction. And most of the time prices are gonna do this. Yes, at some point they are gonna break out, which is why I said We wait to see what happens here. I didn't say we just take the opposite direction. No, I actually, every time I explain, I draw boxes here to say this is where our interest is. When they come to these regions over here, that's where our interest is. What happened? What happened? Trend day, inside day. Yes, of course, on this inside day, they did not give us a setup to sell. But the following day, they gave a setup to sell. They actually logged the previous day's closing price with a beautiful W, and that's when they collapsed heavily. So you see a pattern on a daily time frame. Most of the time you're gonna see that's what it will be happening. Let's just calculate how big this move is. If you got it early here, because I told you I'm taking long-term things, up to here, this is 1.4 minimum risk. You risk about 25 points to get 1.4. Tell me, what is your risk reward ratio on this one? You see, these are the biggest moves ever. And if you watch my recent video, I didn't end there. I also spoke about USD JPY. I told you, wait. Well, in my recent video, we spoke about this one. Watch the video I posted early. And then I said, I'm marking this one A. Why? Because I'm want to see the kind of setup they give. If they hold the levels, I specifically went to that example and I said, if they lock the levels, I'm going to go down. Why? Because I said, when they come to these areas of interest, my goal is for everybody to understand these things. My goal is for everybody to understand these things. You see, these are our areas of interest. I told you about it here and I was long. And I told you yesterday that we are not going any further long, but I'll keep holding unless they give me another setup like a trend reversal, which is what I shared in my first playbook. Yes, the first part I shared this one, and then the third part I shared the trend continuation. But it's the same setups. It's just that now we are taking them at the most important areas. Why? Because guys, remember, everybody, institutions, I can't say this enough, banks, institution, big money is seeing all of this. So when they come here, there's going to be a lot of sell orders. Why? Because this is where they've been bouncing. This line shows that it's strong, you see. So that's why they came exactly here and collapsed. Do you think it's a coincidence? Honestly, I'm not trying to be rude. Sorry if my tone is somehow, I don't mean it. It's just that when I explain, I really want people to understand. I think I'm passionate about this, you see. So I might sound a little bit harsh, but pardon me for that if I'm sounding harsh, all right? Because I know there are people who are older than me, even people who are younger than me. I just want to respect them as well, you see, because respect is the most important thing. So if my tone is a little bit off, pardon me, right? So you see, when they come here, there's gonna be big money pushing this move. We are retail guys, we must rely on big money, okay? We must rely on banks, we must rely on hedge funds. So every time it comes here, these guys are gonna actually take positions, and when they put in a lot of money, that's gonna move prices heavily. So guys, once you understand this, you are okay. This is what I call hunting. This is what I call hunting. Why? Because you're not just gonna wake up and decide, oh, I'm taking Euro JPY, oh, I'm taking Euro USD, oh, I'm taking this one. No, you're gonna be observing this as it goes. You see, I took it here and then it went up. I took it on a Friday. I shared with you in my recent video, and it went up. So when it came here, I was observing. That's why when I was analyzing together with you, I actually said I will be looking for something today on this one, and it collapsed heavily. So guys, wow, I cannot emphasize the significance of this strategy enough, because I know you want to execute things every day. Just sit back, take your time, relax, wait for them to be at the right place, and then execute all the strategies I mentioned in the playbook, all the strategies I mentioned in my recent videos. All right, so honestly, I'm so happy because I've shared these things with you even before this really happened, because most of the time people will come and say it's hindsight. I also spoke about EURUSD. Watch my video that I posted. If I post this on a Sunday, obviously it's the video that I posted yesterday on Saturday. Just watch it and see. That's how I analyze. And now you have everything. It's the ball is in your court. Let's look at Euro USD. All right, on Euro USD, I told you yesterday that I will be observing Euro USD carefully. Why? Because this is what I got. You see, okay, I can put it like this, right? And I've been observing this move for some time. You see, it came and bounced here. You see, and I told you in the video that I posted early that please go and watch it, because that's where I did all the analysis, and I believe it's gonna help. You see, so I said here we are looking for something. If they hold the level, I told you I was gonna go up. Although I was in a short, I told you if they give a setup here, I liquidated, and I'm literally willing to go up. Just look at what they did. Do you think it's a coincidence? Yes, I know they can go back up, or else they can come and break to the downside. So remember the quote. I will put it in my first comment again. Prices usually exhibit inertia, but they after that continue doing what they've been doing. That is to say, if they've been ranging, most attempts to break that range will fail. Or if they are trending, most attempts to reverse the trend will fail. By A.L. Brooks. All right, that's what he wrote in his book, and that is significant to understand. Just look, a dead giveaway. Anyway, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. So sit back, take your time, relax. This is something you can take and enjoy your days. This is something you can take and go on a vacation. This is something you can take. This is zero stress, honestly. Zero stress. I told you I was short here. Yes, in a month you're going to execute less, but you're going to find yourself being in maybe 5 trades that are running because you are not executing every day. But when you get it, you take it, you hold long term, and then maybe next week you get something else, you execute it, you're holding long term. So your job is now to manage 2 positions. Maybe in the same week again you get something, the third one you execute. Now you are managing 3 of them. You see, at some point you're gonna find that you are in 5 positions, and it's easy to take them because most of them have already gone into your profit direction, right? They're already profitable. You're just managing it, and it's easy. Imagine you are in 5 execution. All right, sometimes people worry because I say they will take maybe 4, 5, 6 or 8 execution in a month, but that's more than enough, believe me. I really appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Most probably I'll post this on Sunday tomorrow, so have a beautiful Sunday. Thank you.